Okay, so now we're going to talk about our market value ratios. And you can see we have our market price of our company, we have the number of shares outstanding, our PE ratio, price per share to earnings per share. Basically what we're looking at here is how much are we willing to pay for each dollar of earnings for the company. So you can see for using this ratio 18.73 times, basically that's telling you for every $1 of earnings per share, I'm willing to pay $18.73 for that. Okay. Then we look at our market to book value. Now, one of the things with our market value per share, it's hard to know what the market value is unless you go ahead and put them on the market. Although book value will generally put us in the ballpark of that to get that ratio. Okay, and all you're comparing there is what are people willing to pay for it versus what is for each share of stock versus what is the value of each share of stock using our book value. Okay, using our balance sheet. Now we get into our enterprise value, and you can see we have the market value of the stock over the book value. And you can see where that's coming from. The liabilities, we use the book value, again, because we can't typically get the market value of those. Okay. Now, when we talk about the EBITDA ratio, earnings before interest and taxes, depreciation, basically what we're looking at here is this is relates the value of the operating assets, all right, to the operating cash flow generated by those assets. And that's what we see here. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that. We'll get into more of that when we talk about the stocks and bonds, chapters 7 and 8.